Hi everybody, it's Erin from ePapery, and this is a flip through of our new Artist Delight digital collection. There's 8 feature pages, 11 backgrounds and writing pages in the paper pack, and then there is also a 7-page ephemera pack, all available in our Etsy shop. So just doing a quick flip through, here are some of the background pages. This collection is based on kind of antique illustrations and diagrams and color wheels, as well as, art supplies and botanicals and bugs and everything. So just kind of, paying homage to the natural world that inspires us as artists, as well as the supplies that we and theory and science that we traditionally use to create our works of art, and pulling that into a kit for use in our projects. So just thought this was something kind of unique, something that offered us some vibrancy, but still kind of in that vintage aesthetic. Here we've got some journaling pages. They've got dots, lines, just a floral background, and then just kind of another background page. So, and then here we've got the ephemera pack. We've got envelope, page tabs, some hexagons, some journaling cards, 4 medium tags, 3 large tags, and a belly band. And some additional pockets and tags and more pockets, and then some fussy cuts of those vintage art supplies. So if you're interested, head on over to our Etsy shop, and thanks for taking a look. Bye everybody.